Start by navigating to the Edit Code section and clicking on Customize Theme. Once you're inside the customization interface, head over to the home page where you can begin applying your design changes. To add a new content block, click on the Add Section button. This opens a list of available section types. From the list, locate and select the section labeled RI Product Tab 1 to begin your customizations for this specific area. Once you're inside the RI Product Tab 1 settings, click on Tab 1 to begin modifying its contents. This section allows you to highlight products or features in a tabbed layout format, making it ideal for showcasing organized content. Begin by selecting an icon color that best matches your site's branding. You'll then be able to choose an icon from the theme's built-in library or, for a more personalized approach, upload your own custom icon image that represents your brand or section content more effectively. You can now add a subtitle to provide extra context or a brief introduction to the section. Follow this with a bold, attention-grabbing title that will be displayed prominently above the content. Customize the title font size so it's visually balanced, large enough to draw attention but not overwhelming. Adjust the title color to ensure it aligns with your theme palette and maintains readability. Next, configure the arrow size used in the navigation or interface elements of the section. Set it large enough to be noticeable and functional. Match the arrow color to the overall design for a cohesive appearance. Under Question Settings, choose a question color that enhances visibility and contrast, and set the question font size to ensure the text is easy to read, especially on different devices. Fine-tune the section layout using the padding controls. You can adjust top and bottom padding, as well as side padding, to ensure content spacing looks clean and aligned on both desktop and mobile views. If you want to control how this section is spaced in relation to others on the page, adjust the section margin top and bottom settings. This helps maintain a clean and visually balanced layout, ensuring that elements don't appear too cramped or float awkwardly apart. Proper margin settings contribute to a more harmonious flow between sections, guiding the user's eye naturally through the content and creating a cohesive visual journey. Next, fine-tune the button padding, vertical, to provide sufficient breathing space around any call to action buttons. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also improves usability, making the buttons more noticeable, easier to tap, and visually aligned with modern UI standards. Thoughtful padding can make a huge difference in how polished and inviting your site feels. You can also take this opportunity to match the button padding with the rest of your theme spacing for added consistency. Consistent spacing across all elements adds a sense of professionalism and trust to your storefront. By completing these adjustments, you'll achieve a fully personalized and professionally styled product tab section. It will not only elevate the visual aesthetic of your homepage but also enhance user interaction, improve overall usability, and help your brand stand out with a seamless, engaging layout that feels both modern and functional. Telephone receiver need assistance? We are here to help. Got questions or need support? Reach out to us. Mobile phone call or WhatsApp 9035671333. Glow with Meridian's